I bet. So this right here is like when the donations come in, and they gonna like basically say what they want.
Fake blurry for us, nigga.
You said it's fake blurry? How is it still fake blurry, bro? I ain't gonna lie, bro. On this screen, even they said it. They said this shit look crazy, bro. Like this shit dead ass looks crazy, bro. So I don't know what to tell y'all.
Shit hot.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, who wrote this? Yo, you wrote this? Nah, I don't want that.
Oh,
yo,
shit.
what the fuck? Nah, hell no. But all my men smoke like this, bro, and this shit is not it. Oh my god, bro, it's more grabber than gas, bro.
That's a devil blunt.
TTS, this nigga flaked yesterday, and I don't wanna say some I regret.
What?
Nigga said, wait. This nigga said, wait, hold on, wait. Where's that shit at?
What's poppin'?
I don't even know where is this shit at. I gotta see where that shit is at, bro. Did I just take it off? No, I definitely didn't.
KLR gifted a tier 1 sub to the South.
Yo.
They have given 25 gift subs in the channel.
Yo, bro, I can't do this, bro. Hell no. This shit is crazy, bro. You said juice pulling up?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, bring me a blunt that's not like this, bro. Oh my god, yo, I feel like I'm about to die. Bro, I'm trying to see what he said. Oh, he said, please turn off touch your speed. This nigga flaked yesterday and I don't want to say something I regret. Nah, why they on you? Yo.
That's the hot boy?
That's the
Yeah,
hot
that's
boy.
when niggas is jacking. That shit
Silky,
hot.
that's the hot boy.
Bro, this is hot, boy. Hold on, bro.
Don't worry, I got a valid slip.
Please.